Floods, hurricanes, broken pipes, even water from putting out a fire. These are just a few of the things that can cause water damage to your home or business. Hi there. We're water restoration specialists. You know, dealing with water damage can be stressful, traumatic, and very expensive. You're probably worrying right now about just how long it's going to take to get your life back in order, and exactly what we're going to have to do to accomplish that. While this is hopefully a once-in-a-lifetime event for you, we deal with situations like this every day. Our entire business is built around restoring your property to pre-loss condition and getting your life back on track as fast as possible. We work with insurance companies all the time and are very familiar with what we need to do to make the process go smoothly for all involved parties. The key to successful restoration is speed. Drying out buildings fast reduces the chance for what we call secondary damage. Secondary damage includes things such as mold growth, damage to structural materials like framing, drywall, or flooring, and damage caused by high humidity to books, papers, artwork, and so on. That's why we use the most advanced drying equipment and techniques. It's based on cutting-edge drying science and works 2 to 3 times faster than conventional drying systems. Here's how we do it in your home or business. First, we use sophisticated instruments to determine the extent of the water damage. We then extract all the water we can in liquid form. The next step, and the key to our system, is to direct heated air to the water in the wet materials. For maximum effectiveness, we want to contain the heat only to those areas that are wet. After all, why heat up parts of the building that are already dry? Then we focus the heat where we want it to go with a number of techniques. We also use other specialized equipment in conjunction with tests and directed heat drying principles. Specialized equipment is occasionally needed to dry difficult materials such as wood floors, insulated walls, plaster, stone and tile, cabinets, concrete, and so on. Directed heat drying also has an important health benefit. Because this system dries so fast, it eliminates conditions that allow mold and mildew to grow from the instant we begin drying. In addition, the operating temperatures of our drying system inhibit the growth of the vast majority of mold and fungi. And we don't leave the job until everything is dry. Our technicians check to make sure that your home or business is dry to the proper industry standards. Most of the time, we can dry water damage while you still occupy your home or business. If the damage is so severe that you cannot occupy the premises, our faster drying will get you back in much faster than other types of drying systems. Your insurance company will also really appreciate that we use directed heat drying. Because we restore so much more than conventional restorers, there's far less replacement. This means that they can save thousands of dollars per claim and get their files closed much, much faster. Plus, they're really concerned about delivering great service to their policyholders when they have a claim. That's because they want them to renew their policies and also tell other people how great they were in handling the claim. We're so enthusiastic about our test equipment and direct heat drying because it's a better and faster way to dry. If we could choose any system to dry our own homes, this is the one we'd use.
We were pleasantly surprised that Tess was able to dry everything out so quickly. We were able to save a lot of money from not having to replace everything down here, and we were able to quickly resume our use of our new basement.
Because of the TES system, they came in, they cleaned everything up, and we were back in business in a couple of days.
We didn't lose anything. We didn't lose our carpet, we didn't lose our flooring, we didn't lose any of our storage items. We were really happy.
From a standpoint of cost, we definitely saved thousands of dollars.
It dried out all the drywall, the floors, and they actually came in over the weekend and didn't affect our business at all.
The TES system saved me a lot of money, a lot of time, and I definitely recommend it to anybody.
We've had a lot of floods in the past, and with the old way, it was a real hassle. The TES system makes all the difference.
With this new thermal energy system, you can rest assured you're in good hands. We're going to get right to work to get your life back to normal fast.